Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of Mobile. So this is the middle. You can see the mini map at the top right. The stone heals me, that's why I'm in the lava. The lava will kill me though. No, wait, I did not know that was going to send me back. Okay, well, the middle is still right here. The gem heals me, so I'm a bit fine unless something that I can't eat comes. I could have ate him. Everybody goes here. All the small animals, all the big animals. The mini maps at the top right. No, I want to go there. Take me to the middle. Finally. I'm not. Dude, heal me, stone. More, heal me more. I think since this is so big, it gives more than a normal gem. Well. I was about to die. He's following me. He's a wolf now. He might not be able to eat me. That's probably what he thinks. But he can eat me. He didn't see me leave. What the? Just happened? Well, none of them could eat me, so. Stop poisoning me. No, I'm gonna die now. Okay, well, I'm just gonna be, grinding. You guys will think it's like 2 seconds, but for me it's gonna be like a long time. But. Okay, guys, so I am finally back to where we were. Maybe a little higher, so I will spawn with 32,000 XP. That's quite a lot. So, I'll just get right in. There's an ad. Okay. I'm just gonna be a tiger. Okay, that was a terrible choice. I have to run from everything. Free honey. If I kill them, they drop honey. Wait, that one right up. I want that, no! How do I possibly get to this? I'm dead, I'm so dead. Gonna die to bees too. Regenerate my health, hurry. No, you're so annoying. Oh my god, close call. How do I get somewhere safe? Okay, well, there's a whale guarding it. There's like a shark inside here with me. There's also a turtle. Wait. The shark's following me. Should I team with him? He wants a team. There's somebody still with me. Yeah. No, he's gonna drown. He's gonna drown. Yeah, come here. Yeah, follow me. Okay, I shouldn't have done that. Yeah, drown over here. Oh, he hit me. Only one side. See, animals drown so fast in this game too. No, that's my food. Now you're my food too. I'm gonna get him. No, he kicked me. Bam, you got kicked by a donkey. Oh my god, that is a lot of food. And I will gladly take it. Take it. I'm gonna take it all. No, he's a Falcon 2 now. Crap. Go down, go down. I don't want to. I'm getting stung and everything. I'm getting stung, so it slows me down. And I'm also in mud. And I'm also in water. Oh my god, that saved me. I want to go back though. Where am I going? Let's just go right here. Now there's 2 rhinos after me. What did I do? Here, wait. I'm gonna troll them. Wait, okay. I go back here. Oh, the bees are back. This is why I like the Falcon. Like I can fly and it charges so fast too. No, he made me dizzy. No! I didn't think of that. I should have went earlier. Okay, we'll spawn with 28,000 again. Okay. What should we be? Let's be a pelican. They can fly. I lost 39,000. Since when were pelicans sea animals? I feel like they should be like. Yeah, they are sea animals, but like they shouldn't be. They should be like the land animals. Because they're birds. Go down. Okay, the shark's gonna get me. There's so much food though. Haha. Haha. Now I just take this gem with me. I think it's glitched. But I'll take it. Look at me just getting bigger. Nobody knows that there's a gem. Lusty, look at my outside. Because the outside is like purple. That means I'm on a gem. Okay, there's an octopus. He could eat me. He probably doesn't know. It doesn't show the green ring. He's not gonna give me. I don't think he knows that he could eat me. Well, I'm just gonna be AFK. Never mind. He's coming. Yeah, he's here. Give me back my gem. I can't move it to the land either. It kinda gotta get going. Ah. getting like almost 200 a second. I'm about to level up. And the gem's about to break. No, I thought I could steal it. Like last second. I didn't level up from that. Now I did. Let's just be a falcon. Okay. Wait, I can't climb trees. No, I'm stuck, Haha, he's stuck too. Dude, we're still in poison. No, what am I supposed to do? What was I supposed to do? I'm just leaning down and down. Okay, guys, so we are finally at 100,000, 130,000 to be exact. But